our stainless steel one-door freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 27.5 inches, a depth of 32.5 inches, and overall height on caster wheels, we have a height of 80 inches tall. Coming to the top of the freezer will be 3 features. The first feature will be the temperature controller that can be adjusted depending how cold you want your freezer to be. The center will be a power switch, and the third and the left will be a separate switch for light. So the light switch can be turned on and off separate from the power switch whenever at your convenience. Included will be 4 adjustable shelves inside the freezer. Each shelf will measure 21 inches in length by 23.5 inches in depth. Interior dimensions for the freezer itself will include 26 inches in depth, and the overall height standing at 48.5 inches tall from the bottom to the top partition. Located on the top center and right column will be the LED strips, so with the light feature turned on, the LED lights will display and illuminate the products that you have advertised. Located on the top right corner will be the ETEL certification and specifications for this freezer. Last but not least, this freezer will run on 110-120 voltage. A pair of keys will be included for this freezer and can be used as lockup whenever the freezer is not in operation. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.